In this video, we're going to find the derivative of an exponential function of any base. And it says find the derivative of f of x equals 5 to the x cubed minus 6, 5 to the x times x cubed minus 6 over x. Well, they want us to find the derivative of, basically they're going to have us find the derivative of 5 to the x. So I'm going to use some general terminology here and say the derivative of any number to a power is going to be that same thing times the natural log of the base, and then times the derivative of the inside. So that's the application of the chain rule there, is that we have the derivative of the outside function is au to the natural log a. The derivative of the inside function would be du over dx. So an application of this, we can actually start using the product rule and show this how this works. So we're going to say that u is equal to 5 to the x. U prime is equal to, we're going to take the derivative of the outside. The derivative of the outside of this would be 5 to the x, natural log of 5, times the derivative of the inside. Well, the inside function here was just x. So we're going to say derivative of x with respect to x. Well, that's going to actually equal 5 to the x, natural log of 5, and the derivative of x is just 1, so we have times 1, which if I take this whole thing times 1, I just get 5 to the x, natural log of 5. And then we have v, which in our case is x cubed, minus 6. I'm going to bring that x to the top, so that's 6x to the negative 1. And then v prime would be 3x squared. Bring the negative 1 to the front, that's plus 6x to the negative 2. Now let's use the product rule. So f prime of x would be, we're going to take u prime, which was 5x natural log 5, 5 to the x natural log 5, is going to be multiplied times our v value. So we're going to say times this x cubed minus 6 over x value here, plus we're going to have 5 to the x, which is u, times v prime, which is 3x squared, plus 6 over x squared. And then we're going to look to simplify here, and I'm not really seeing a simplification that's going to make anything much nicer. I suppose we could factor out 5 to the x. Maybe we could do that. So we could say that that is 5 to the x times, this would be x cubed natural log of 5, if I distribute the natural log 5, minus 6 natural log 5 all over x, plus, when I factor the 5 to the x out, I just end up with 3x squared, and then plus 6 over x squared. So I guess that might be a little bit simpler version here, but that's the derivative of the above function.